Hey guys, so we're replacing the fuel pump on a John Deere 2255. It's the transfer fuel pump. It's this one right here. It's the same pump on a laundry list of John Deere tractors. This is actually the third pump that was on this tractor. It had the original one, and that one started leaking. Then it had another one from John Deere, and that one started leaking. Then it had one from Shoop, and that one started leaking. And then, oh yeah, this is the one from Shoop. And all of them, they just start running out around here. And it's like you can tighten them down. You know, these are Torx screws around here, and you can tighten them down, and it's really don't make a difference. They just start leaking, and it's a very good leak. The pump we got this time coming from MyMROmarts, and we're just going to open it up so it looks like the out and play it, but that's not going to change my opinion on what it looks like, or how it handles, or how it lasts. Okay, we got hats, so that's a good deal. Let's try that. The hat fits. Never mess with a heavy equipment operator. You know the best place to hide a body. Okay. I think the best place to hide a body is throw it in a pen with pigs. I think the pigs know what to do with just about anything. Okay, so here's the pump. Okay, it has let's hope they're sealed. I was wondering if it was going to have gaskets. Okay, looks like a good matchup so far. You have the primer right here. Everything lines up with the cam. Okay, let's put it on. So this is the fuel line running through the pump, and this is the fuel line running away from the transfer pump. And each of these is 5/8. I'm just going to... Screen it off with brake cleaner, and we'll just see what it looks like later. It may get a little messy, but just watch it and see what happens. Should none of these fittings leak. Yeah, otherwise it looks good. Yeah, so it's an easy job to do if you are looking to replace your pump. All you need is a 5/8, a 9/16 if you want to adjust this, like you have to do, and get this pump lined up again. This is 13 millimeters, and this is a 9/16, or you need to prime it. I just want to say thank you to MyMROmarts for providing us with the pump. There's a affiliate link down in the description if you are looking for